What's up everybody, it's David and Moni over here from the NFT Buddies YouTube channel.
We discuss everything in the NFT and crypto world, bringing you raw and organic material from our own metaverse journey.
That's right. And if you like our content, please show your appreciation by subscribing to our channel and tapping that little like button.
So today we're going to discuss the Tomorrow Conference 2022 in Belgrade, Serbia, which we attended last week.
It's the biggest NFT conference in whole Europe, and we are still very much excited from the whole experience over there.
What did we see there? How was our experience and how do we feel about the future of NFT and crypto afterwards?
Okay guys, enough waiting, let's get to it. Zdravo. Za Belgrad. Da.
Yes.
We start our journey from Bulgaria, which is the neighboring country over here next to Serbia. And we're going to explore the city of Belgrade and meet some cool people over there.
Right now we're in Serbia, 100 kilometers from Belgrade, and we're very excited to go to the Tomorrow Conference. Excited to hear about crypto, NFTs, and we're here to get all the important information to you guys. See you in a bit. Got to the conference on time, ready to meet some new people and learn more about the fascinating world of NFTs.
Our game plan was to find founders of different projects and lectors who are going to tell us more about the recent NFT and crypto events that are happening right now.
The conference was held in a very interesting time, right after the crash of the stablecoin Terra and Luna, and during the overall dip of the Bitcoin and crypto markets.
Yeah, when the markets are going up, everybody are happily investing in crypto, but when the things go down, like you can feel the level of uncertainty in the whole crowd, in the whole crypto community in general.
Because of the current situation on the market, I was very eager to hear what lectors and insiders are going to say about the future of the NFT and crypto markets and how investors should approach it.
One of the major topics over there was NFTs and the new use cases for them.
Before a few months, NFTs collections were selling out within minutes of their release. However, now the market is more mature and investors are doing their thorough research of the projects and the creators behind them.
Yeah, and exactly that's how we are going to get mass adoption through education of the public.
So spread the word, tell your friends about NFTs, and let's enter the metaverse together.
Preach, brother. So the most interesting thing, at least for me, and I'm sure that it was for Moni as well, was the different applications of the metaverse. There were a lot of projects that were developing metaverses and different utilities for them.
One of them is the project of Joey Diaz, who is the founder of MetaMask. The project's name is METAVERSE, and it constitutes of a lot of different metaverses in space, and you can travel between them.
Over there, the main NFT, which you can buy in OpenSea as far as I know, is a starship that you can travel throughout the whole metaverse.
Another project is about e-gaming. Their idea is to create a virtual e-gaming arena with accommodations for the viewers and And for the players, after they gain funds, they will create the whole project in real life on Sava River, which goes through Belgrade.
Yeah, this was a great project. Its name is Gaming Village Metaverse, and we actually got an exclusive interview with one of the founders of this project. So stay tuned with our channel and you're going to be able to see it.
Marketing is a very crucial part of the NFT world. You can have a beautiful collection, and without the right marketing, you will not be able to sell it.
That's why we took a couple of interviews with some great experts who told us all the sneaky little techniques how to sell your collection, especially in the bear market right now.
One of the major partners of the NFT conference was the creator of Exit Festival.
He threw a great party at our second night over there. We had a lot of fun.
Yes, which makes me wonder what is the future of parties within the metaverse. Overall, it was a great experience and I'm glad that we went, met so many people and learned so much more about NFTs.
Yeah, we met quite a lot of great people and we're going to release great interviews with them in the future in our channel, so stay tuned.
Please like, subscribe and tell us in the comments below some other events that we might go and report back to you. And stay bullish,
man, stay bullish.